L-glutamine is an amazing nutrient. It is an amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Your body needs protein to build muscle and recover from workouts. L-glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in your body. It plays a vital role in many important functions. Your muscles use a lot of L-glutamine during exercise. This is why it's popular among athletes. You can get L-glutamine from food. You can also take it as a supplement. Many foods contain L-glutamine. These include meat, fish, beans, and dairy products. L-glutamine is a powerful nutrient. It can help you achieve your fitness goals. It can also improve your overall health. Keep reading to learn more about the many benefits of L-glutamine. L-glutamine is a powerful ally for athletes. It helps muscles recover after intense workouts. It does this by reducing muscle soreness and promoting muscle repair. This means you can train harder and more often. Beyond muscle growth, L-glutamine supports a healthy gut. It does this by strengthening the lining of your digestive tract. This can reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. L-glutamine also boosts your immune system. It does this by providing fuel for your body's immune cells. These cells protect you from infections and diseases. In simple terms, L-glutamine helps you build muscle, improve digestion, and strengthen your immune system. It is a true powerhouse nutrient. L-glutamine works in many ways. It acts as a building block for protein. This means it helps your muscles repair and grow after exercise. This is essential for athletes and anyone looking to improve their physique. L-glutamine also provides fuel for your gut cells. This helps maintain a healthy gut lining. A healthy gut is crucial for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. L-glutamine also helps reduce inflammation in the gut. This can alleviate digestive discomfort. Finally, L-glutamine supports your immune system. It does this by providing fuel for immune cells. These cells use L-glutamine to function properly. This helps your body fight off infections and stay healthy. L-glutamine is a powerful nutrient. It offers a wide range of benefits. It can help you achieve your fitness goals. It can also improve your overall health. Want to experience the benefits of L-glutamine for yourself? Check out this high-quality L-glutamine supplement available on Amazon. Remember to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. This is especially important if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. Like what you read? Subscribe to my channel for more fitness and nutrition tips.